Welcome to my design rationale. Wow, what an instructive and exciting exercise this has been. This unit was designed to create sophisticated links with problem-based constructivist design through an authentic context with attention to critical thinking. Web design is a creative process that encourages higher order thinking through a scaffolded process of breaking down and evaluating the client's needs, programming and artistically creating appropriate and attractive pages, and designing easy-to-use navigation around the site. Top of the Class states that developing the fundamental ability to create outstanding achievement necessitates delving increasingly deeper into consideration by engaging the higher order thinking processes, such as analysis, evaluation, and creativity. And this unit aims to create outstanding achievement from the entire class. The Wiki ePortfolio has been created to describe a unit of learning for a Year 10 ICT class based on authentic problem-based learning. Problem-based learning, or PBL, is a method of learning and teaching which allows students to focus on what they will learn. An unfamiliar problem, situation, or task is presented to the students by the teacher, and students are required to determine for themselves how they will go about solving the problem. This usually occurs through small group work and allows students to utilise their prior knowledge in the topic area and identify the gaps in their knowledge as they attempt to solve the problem. As an authentic learning pedagogy focuses on students collaboratively creating genuine products that are polished, professional, shared and published, the design brief was for the students to create a website for a fictional art gallery. Along with this, they are to set up a reflective journal using a different online forum as part of the final assessment for the unit. Additionally, as the authentic learning format allows the students to learn at their own pace, the unit was created to be flexible and allow a number of weeks on certain elements of the course. In each element, there will be a number of ICT tools that the student groups can choose between in order to complete the different sections of the website. A number of examples are provided, however the emphasis will be on the students choosing which program they think will be the best to complete the particular problem they are facing, and they will be encouraged to research the ICT tools in order to find the one they feel will best suit their purpose. The lesson sequences were designed to transform the acquisition of knowledge by encouraging students to try new and different programs. They also transformed the extending and refining of knowledge by taking what they had learned in the previous unit on Photoshop and using it in the web design unit. Creating a website also helps with the presentation, creation, and demonstration of new knowledge, as, in itself, web design is a creative outlet. The creativity involved in creating the website will help the students to engage in higher order thinking. Top of the Class notes that Bloom's taxonomy classifies creating as the highest level in thinking skills. When making the website, students go through the Bloom's processes of remembering, understanding, applying, analysing, evaluating and creating, and this creates a scaffold to enhance learning and create higher order thinking skills. Working together in a collaborative group situation, with the teacher moving around helping and encouraging, will engage social constructivism during the unit. Harmer mentions that social constructivism requires both the teacher and the students to help reinforce the information being learned. Additionally, behaviourism is repetition, practice and positive reinforcement. Behaviourism is inherent in the design process, as a lot of design requires repetition and practice to perfect the necessary design programs. Harmer also observes that cognitivism is where the brain loses what it has learned if it does not regard the information as important. Cognitivism will be used when the students actively engage with the programs and ICT tools creating the website. Codesi
created using Powtoon.